In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a wrong routing number on a tax return. First, if you realize the routing number was entered incorrectly before your return is processed, you can amend the return using Form 1040-X to update the bank information. If the IRS has already processed your return and the direct deposit was rejected, the refund will be returned to the IRS, and you'll typically receive a paper check sent to your address on your tax return. It's also a good idea to verify your routing and account numbers with your bank to ensure they are correct before submitting or resubmitting. For future filings, double-checking these details in your tax software or on your paper return can prevent the issue from happening again. Correcting a wrong routing number promptly ensures your refund is deposited safely and avoid unnecessary delays. So that's it.